Hello! In this video, I'll share coconut fufu prepared with coconut flour. Coconut flour is a healthy, low-carb, gluten-free, grain-free flour. I'll serve it with this appetizing okra soup. For the coconut fufu, you need coconut flour and garri. I normally use 2 parts of coconut flour with 1 part of garri. This holds true for whatever you're using to measure yours. So if you're using a drum, add 2 drums of coconut flour and 1 drum of garri. Grind it with a dry mill to turn the coarse garried grains into powder. From now on, you just make it like you would make semolina fufu. Set some water to boil. When it boils, pour some aside. We will need it later. And reduce the heat to low. Pour the flour like this and mix at the same time. Once you feel some resistance from the fufu, stop adding and stir with all your power to get a smooth and soft dough. When you're happy, pour that water we set aside earlier. Cover and let it steam very well. Then mix again and it's done. The reason why you must mix coconut flour with another flour that creates a more elastic dough is because coconut flour does not contain gluten. Gluten is the substance that is present in flours that give them that elastic texture when you mix the flour with liquid. When you try to use only coconut flour to make coconut fufu, this is what you will get. It will never come together. So you won't be able to use it to make balls of swallows. One other healthy flour you can use to mix the coconut flour is oat flour. Grind the oats with a dry mill. And the same way, 2 parts of coconut flour with 1 part of oat flour. Mix and make it the same way with boiled water over heat. That's it! Serve with a healthy soup such as okra soup. Bye bye! See you soon!